Good morning, students. St. Elizabeth School, Anjar. Standard 8, Subject Maths, Chapter 2, Linear Equation in One Variable.
Now continue application of linear equation. First, Amina thinks a number and subtract 5 by 2 from it. She multiplies the result by 8. The result now obtained is 3 times the same number she thought of. What is the number? Let us write down the first statement. Let the number be x. According to the question, 8 in bracket x minus 5 by 2 in bracket over equal to 3x. Now 8 multiplied by x minus 5 by 2, it means 8x minus 20. 8 5s are 40. 40 divided by 2, it means 20. So 8x minus 20 equal to 3x. Now transpose the variable one side and another side is constant. 8x minus 3x is 5x. 5x equal to 20. X equal to 20 by 5. In table 5, 20 will come, yes, in 4 times. So value of x is 4. So what is the number? Therefore the number is 4. Next question. Saroj's mother's present age is 6 times Saroj's present age. Saroj age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. What are their present age? So first we have to write the statement. Let Saroj age is x years. Therefore, his mother's age will be 6x years. According to the question, after 5 years, Saroj age equal to Saroj mother present age divided by 3. So, Saroj age is x plus 5. After 5 years means x plus 5 equal to Saroj mother's present age. Saroj mother present age is 6x. So, 6x divided by 3. Cross multiplication. X plus 5 equal to 2x. So, 6 is come in table 3. So, 3 to the 6. X plus 5 equal to 2x. Transpose the one side variable, one side constant. 5 equal to 2x minus x. Therefore, x equal to 5. Now, put up the value for Saroj age and Saroj mother's age. Therefore, the present age of Saroj equal to x equal to 5 years. And Saroj mother's age equal to 6x equal to 6 multiplied 5 is 30 years. So Saroj age is 5 years and Saroj mother is 30 years. Third question. Sum of the digit of 2-digit number is 9. When we interchange the digit, it is found the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. What is the 2-digit number? Let us first write the statement. Let the digit at tens place and ones place is be x and 9 minus x respectively. Therefore, the original number equal to 10x plus 9 minus x equal to 9x plus 9. 10x, now we have to open the bracket, 10x plus 9 minus x. So 10x minus x, it means 9x. 9x plus 9. On interchanging the digit at ones place and tens place will be x and 9 minus x. First, we have to take in place of tens is x and ones place is 9 minus x. Now we can interchange here. Ones place is x and tens place is 9 minus x. Therefore, new number after interchanging the digit in 10 in bracket 9 minus x plus x. So multiply it, 10 9s are 90 minus 10x plus x. Minus 10x plus x is minus 9x. It means 90 minus 9x. According to the question, new number equal to original number plus 27. So 90 minus 9x equal to 9x plus 9 plus 27. 9 plus 27 is 36. So 90 minus 9x equal to 9x plus 36. Now transpose the one side constant and one side variable. 90 minus 36 equal to 9x plus 9x. So 54 equal to 18x. x equal to 54 by 18. In table 18, 54 will come? Yes, 3 times. So our value of x is 3. Therefore, original 2-digit number is 9x plus 9. Now here we put up the value of x. 9 multiply 3 plus 9. 9 3s are 27. 27 plus 9 equal to 36. So our original number is 36. Next question number 4. A grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. He is also 54 years older than her. Find their present age. Let us first write the statement. Let the granddaughter's age be x years. Therefore, grandfather's age will be 10x years. According to the question, grandfather's age equal to granddaughter's age plus 54 years. Grandfather's age is 10x, granddaughter's age is x. So, 10x equal to x plus 54. Now transpose 10x minus x equal to 54. 9x equal to 54. X equal to 54 by 9. So our value of x is 6. Now put up the value of x in granddaughter's age and in grandfather's age. Therefore, granddaughter's age equal to x years equal to 6 years. And grandfather's age is 10x years equal to 10 multiplied 6 is 60 years. Now our next question. The ages of Hari and Harry are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years from now, the ratio of their ages will be 3:4. Find their present age. Now let us first write the statement. Let the common ratio between their ages be x. Therefore, Hari's age and Harry's age will be 5x years and 7x years respectively. And 4 years later, their ages will be 5x plus 4 years and 7x plus 4 years. So it means Harry's age is 7x plus 4 and Hari's age is 5x plus 4. According to the situation given in the question, 5x plus 4 by 7x plus 4 equal to 3 by 4. Now, take here cross multiplication. 4 multiply 5x plus 4 in bracket equal to 3 multiply 7x plus 4 in bracket. So, multiply by 4. 4 5s are 20x plus 4 4s are 16 equal to 3 7s are 21x plus 3 4s are 12. Now, transpose a constant one side and variable one side. 16 minus 12 equal to 21x minus 20x. So 16 minus 12 is 4 and 21x minus 20x is 4x. It means therefore 4 equal to x. Therefore Hari's age equal to 5x years equal to 5 multiply 4, it means 20 years, and Harry's age is 7x years equal to 7 multiply 4 equal to 28 years. Thank you. Now our chapter is over. I hope you understand.